it looks.
I know, I've been watching it for like 10
Oh
minutes.
my god.
It's like, tasty.
Oh yeah.
Alejandro.
Oh yeah.
It's good.
Oh, it's really good.
Really good. It is not good. It is beyond good. Time point, time point.
Oh.
And the plating simply looks beautiful, for not using words like majestic or like touched by God. It actually looks awesome.
Halo teman-teman, yuk hari ini masak semur daging betawi. Ini bumbu halusnya kita butuh 6 siung bawang putih, terus jahe ya. Aku pakai 2 ruas jahe karena kebetulan dagingnya lumayan banyak. 1 jempol lengkuas, ya itu karena bundar tapi kurang lebih kayak 1 jempol ya. Dan selanjutnya itu kita pakai kemiri juga. Aku pakai 6 biji kemiri yang sudah aku sangrai, dan juga 10-12 siung bawang merah ya, untuk ukuran bawang merah Indonesia. Punya aku gede banget. Ini ada 3/4 sendok teh ketumbar, 1 sendok teh jintan, dan 3/4 sendok teh merica. Udah, jadi ini semua tinggal kita potong kecil-kecil ya. Kalau aku biasanya mau ke chopper itu aku potong kecil-kecil dulu, jadi biar halus hasilnya. Nah, jadi bawang putih, bawang merah itu selalu harus masuk chopper. Dan juga ini teman-teman lihat jahe dan lengkuasnya, jadi itu nggak bahan cemplung tapi bahan untuk bumbu halusnya. Nah, untuk resepnya sendiri itu aku niru dari, kok nggak salah dari ini ya, situsnya Kecap Bango, semur daging betawi. Nah, sekarang waktunya untuk kita chopper teman-teman. Aku tuh suka banget di chopper karena lebih cepat dan juga halusnya juga bagus. Nah, ini aku pakai ini ya, tadi pakai oil ya, pakai minyak gitu untuk ngeblendernya, jadi bukan pakai air. Dan selanjutnya kita mau prepare dagingnya. Nah, aku pakai 1 kg daging sapi dan ini halal ya, jadi aku belinya di toko Mediterranean. Dagingnya itu tenderloin teman-teman, khas dalam. Nah, ini teman-teman tambahkan garam. Terus aku kasih 2-3 sendok makan dari bumbu masaknya. Terus tambahin kecap manis. Terus kita aduk rata ya. Jadi kalau bisa bikinnya pagi, jadi biar dimarinasi dulu teman-teman. Nah, setelah itu kita bungkus, bisa tutup pakai apa aja ya, pakai kain atau apapun yang penting steril. Baru kita masukin kulkas. Selanjutnya kita prepare kentangnya. Nah, ini aku nggak salah 500-600 gram gitu kentangnya. Sekarang kita tumis, tambahkan garam, terus masukkan 2 batang serai, setengah sendok teh kayu manis, cengkeh, pala, daun salam, dan kalau udah wangi kita masukin dagingnya. Simple kan ya? Jadi itu seenggaknya untuk bumbu-bumbuannya, kalau teman-teman punya yang bubuk, aku pencinta banget rempah bubuk teman-teman karena nggak rempong gitu kan ya. Nah, ini udah aku masukin semuanya, tinggal tambahin air dikit jadi biar bisa empuk, dan aku tutup. Tadi aku tutupnya bentar ya, habis itu aku buka lagi gitu sampai supaya airnya bisa ngering, dan voila, jadi deh.
Oh, it looks.
I know, I've been watching it for like 10
Oh
minutes.
my god.
It's like, tasty.
Oh yeah.
Alejandro.
Oh yeah. We don't have anything like that in Turkey, don't worry.
You guys.
Looks really good.
It's rich.
You're lucky.
Thank you.
I can putting like super small for everyone. You know, normally I put like huge portions.
I think this is spicy, right?
It is a spicy.
It's gonna
be
It's for that
spicy, man.
gentleman over there at the corner. He needs something spicy every time. So,
Hello.
hey
Hello,
guys! welcome back to Pinay channel. Yay! And then today we're gonna enjoy specialty coming from the capital of Indonesia, which is Jakarta. Yes.
Okay,
And in
nice.
Jakarta, they have local ethnicity called Betawi. That's the name of the ethnicity, and this is a special dish from that place. The name is, I don't know what to translate, but it's semur, so meat semur, the name of the dish.
Daging semur?
Oh, semur daging.
Semur daging.
Yeah, so it just basically you cook it very long, and then you put a lot of spices. My first time cooking this because I never, a lot of things that I cook normally is my first time cooking.
Okay, very good.
So finger crossed that's gonna be good, but I try to find the best recipe. I feel like I'm confident, but okay, I'm not so. Let's see until you guys try it. The meat is halal beef.
Wow. For us?
Yeah, of course. And then there's a potato in there. And this one is kind of a chips. We always like to eat something with chips, just give you a lot of another texture.
Is it banana?
No,
Just chips.
you gotta try it. It has
Okay.
different kind of flavor. And
Isn't it cassava chips? It looks like cassava.
you're gonna try it and you let me know what you think it is. Have a try, guys, and let me know if you have any question. And enjoy. Good appetit. Selamat makan.
Thank you.
And spicy sauce over there for you if you want it spicy.
Okay.
A kick.
Yeah.
You know, this looks like something we have in Mexico. We have
I'm gonna
barbecue.
freeze.
No, not barbecue. The barbacoa.
Taco. Barbacoa. Oh, now it's a...
For me,
Temada, la barbacoa.
if I can be honest,
Thank you.
it kind of tastes like
You
birria.
prefer this one?
Has a little bit like birria flavor. Yeah.
Birria?
Only if you prefer this.
You know, I've been craving birria for a long time.
Me too. Oh, this is good.
This is nice.
Oh, really?
It's
You
really
like it?
nice.
The rice is really different.
Of course we love it. Yeah.
First time the rice is different. Yeah, because I put spices in there when I
Tastes like barbacoa.
He's gonna ask you for some tortillas you have.
No, we
Very
eat
nice.
rice.
It's good.
Oh, it's really good.
It's really good.
Oh,
Oh, thank you.
even it's your first time?
I know.
It is not good. It is beyond good.
Aww.
10.10.
Aww.
Gonna be 10.10. 10.10.
I don't know what that means. It's my first time, guys.
The sauce is also. Ooh.
Spicy?
Damn it.
Are you gonna try?
Yeah,
It is.
why not? Oh,
It is, but I mean,
Then put it
it's
a
right.
lot.
It's right on point. That's
Don't
that's
put it
why.
a lot.
'Cause
Did you have to do it a
we
little
have
bit?
different types of spiciness. I would
just
say in
get a full
Mexico.
spoon.
You have the like the meh, kind of a jokey one.
Yeah.
Then you have the one that actually makes you say like, and helps you all the time like. And then you have the one that makes you cry, and you're like,
Thank you.
I don't want to continue, but at the same time, it's like, oh, I want more.
cannot stop.
One
Yeah.
more, exactly. And Boris, spicy?
This one is cinnamon.
But it's manageable.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm gonna
wow,
try.
okay.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It's manageable, but
Yeah.
it
makes
just hits
you-
you at once, like oh.
It makes you eat more.
Yeah.
Let's give it a
Yeah,
shot.
because
It's addictive.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
really good. It's really
Thank you,
nice.
guys.
Really, really good.
So where's the sun? Where's the sun?
Okay, this is what I told him.
Where's my medicine?
Poor Brady. You fell into the trap.
Okay, guys. Video is over. Give me the medicine.
Do you have a chili?
He's actually getting red. What the fuck?
I know.
Yeah, that's the way. That's the way. That's a
poor
Mexican
baby.
way.
You gotta try it like that.
That's a
You
Mexican
Why
way.
I tried that? No, I don't wanna try.
Spicy.
I'm gonna give it a try. But I'm not sure.
Don't.
Wait, you didn't serve yourself? Oh, you mean like, oh yeah.
If I'm at the half of it.
Quick advice: don't let it touch that much your
Just
your
first
tongue.
try. Let
That
him try.
much.
Oh really? Oh my.
Yeah.
That means.
It's like you want to jump on like bungee jumping or something.
You know what? I'm gonna give it a try.
Give it a try. Just like small bite, and then you just.
I would recommend first like eat a
Don't
bite
say
of
that,
like
I was
rice.
gonna say that.
Yeah.
Don't yeah. I was gonna say that.
You
Yeah.
have to
First
do it,
that
yeah.
and then the.
And just add it.
Oh, really?
Exactly.
Because if you go
That's
directly
how
for
you
the
do it.
spice, you're done.
So it's like covering your tongue.
Okay.
I don't think I can feel this now.
Wait a second.
It's coming out. I'm sweating. You know what? Like,
It's not that bad.
it's not.
It's
not
bad.
It's not that bad. I've seen worse.
You know why?
Yeah.
This one, you eat it, this is spicy, and it goes.
Oh, yeah.
There's another ones, like Thai, they stay there forever.
Oh yeah.
They stay there forever.
Yeah.
I think there are more seeds on the like bottom.
In the back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's when it's gonna be spicier.
Okay, so let it,
No, just that.
let it rest here. Maybe see it later.
Maybe it's it.
It's like in the turkey, like you guys have like a spicy dishes, or it's just more like spicy.
Like the.
We have, but I mean, every part of Turkey has different kind of food. So one part of has like really spicy food,
Oh,
like
yeah,
kebab
spicy.
or etc.
Ah.
One
Like
part,
Adana and Urfa.
yeah. One part has more like a
Like the eastern side, they are really
olive oil.
oil. They
Yeah,
are-
one is very healthy. One part is very healthy. They just eat some
Our part is healthy.
some vegetables, some like dishes which is made with olive oil, not even like a sunflower oil.
Right.
One part eats a lot of meat.
Yeah, they can eat that.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
And
So,
which part is it?
The eastern side, yeah.
Chili. The eastern part is
Yeah.
spicy.
Southeast
Southeast.
side, they usually eat a lot of spice.
Oh yeah,
Oh. And that goes closer to the Arabic.
Yeah.
What is the border?
the Syria.
Yeah, sorry about
Ah,
it.
okay,
It's
okay,
Adana?
okay.
Adana?
Yeah, the region is
Oh.
called
No, like
the
a-
city is
Yeah,
Adana.
kind of.
They are really eating spicy.
They eat spice in breakfast.
Wow.
They
Yeah.
eat liver in breakfast. Like
Oh yeah,
Liver in breakfast?
liver wrap.
Wow.
Like liver?
the
Liver.
lion. Yeah.
Oh, the long.
Yeah.
So they put like a onion, liver.
They are also eating the head. Head of the.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's still spicy. It's still burning.
Oh,
Takes a couple of minutes.
yeah.
This is really good. You cook it on the point. It is
Look at that! I got the saying from Alex. Wow. So you really like it, Alex?
It's because it tastes like barbacoa.
Barbacoa.
Kind of remind us.
Yeah.
What
I
is
was
made
missing
from?
it. Huh?
What is made
Sheep.
from?
You can use sheep or lamb or beef too.
Oh, okay.
And you eat it like this, like with on rice, or how do you eat it?
No. They put it like this, and they put some beans.
It could be beans, but normally because what
or tortilla.
the most traditional kind of Mexican rice, it's the red rice, which is instead of boiled with regular water, it's with
With
tomato
tomato
sauce,
sauce.
with Roma tomato sauce.
Okay.
And then cilantro and onion. Oh, it's really good.
And veggies.
So is she happy?
Very happy.
Damn. You should really open a restaurant.
Huh?
Or just like a ghost kitchen.
Right?
Yeah, where you only take like takeout or
takeout. Yeah.
I like the fun by like this, enjoying eating together, but I don't feel the fun of selling the food. That's the
Like
thing.
this, if you sell this, it will fly even with the Latino community.
You know, like,
Oh, it will
Yeah, also from our side.
Turkish
Yeah,
food?
yeah.
This will
look at
fly
that.
like I would buy it.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
every-
stop crying, man. You already passed the words.
Not the spicy one.
Oh,
This is
very
for me.
good.
There has to be a non-spicy option.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's not spicy. If you want spicy, just put the sauce like that, right?
Yeah.
On the side.
I'm not gonna try again.
Sauce is extra $1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. Yeah, that's how you make
Only for
extra
brackets
money.
free.
Yeah, only for brackets free. How about you over there, Mr. Berkey?
I'm fine, thank you.
He made it though. He made it because he ate it before he started even eating his
Yeah.
meal. Like I know sometimes when it's the first time it ruin your like tongue.
Palate
Like,
or your
Oh yeah.
yeah, you're just like
sensitivity,
yeah.
your tone.
Yeah, I lost it.
I lost it.
How long did it take you to make this? This takes like, because you have to boil the meat.
Maybe 1
right?
hour.
Oh no,
Like,
preparation
2 or 3
is
hours.
very quick, and then you slow cook it 2 to 3 hours. So then just the meat gonna be tender, not so chewy.
So please, guys, like, subscribe, that button,
It takes a lot
comment.
of time.
It takes a lot of time. The
There's
language.
There's a fusion on Camby Street,
Oh, yeah.
on the corner. It's like Thai
There's what?
Indonesian fusion.
Oh,
Yeah. But I
okay.
went there.
No, so good. So I cook better.
Yes, way better. Yeah, definitely.
Well,
way
keep in
better.
mind that it's homemade, so that automatically makes it better and healthier since
Isn't
it's
it?
not like that processed by.
Yeah, no. That's
It's
what I'm
cooked
saying.
with
It was
love.
like way better.
Could you know sometimes what you need to do when you are like that kind of spice? And I know I eat like regular spicy chips every day, Mexican. So open your mouth and let the saliva do its job.
The job, yeah.
So after maybe like, I don't know, 15, 30 seconds, you can just swallow and then the spiciness effect starts to like.
Really? I didn't know that.
Try it.
Try
Open
it.
your mouth.
It's gone. I don't want to do that.
Or have a cup of milk.
Yeah,
I can get the milk.
Yeah. That works.
Never, ever do Coke
when you are spiced.
Oh no, non-sodas actually. Yeah.
Yeah, because the sparkliness is just like
Oh,
giving
it
you.
makes
Yeah,
it more, yeah.
that doesn't help.
No, I apparently have to review my own food.
Yeah, but from your chef experience,
No,
how
give
does
my
it
chef-
feel, or how do you feel your cooking, your plating, in this case, the whole flavorful experience?
Yes, I mean, like, I am kind of excited because it's went well. Yay! Yeah, I kind of am getting more confidence about cooking Indonesian food. So.
Another a cup top, guys.
We're just digesting
Oh,
this.
Okay, it's 10 out of 10. So I shouldn't have tried the spice first because I didn't get the taste. But it's really good.
You
I
finished
really like it.
everything.
Actually,
Yeah, I finished everything. It's really good. It's delicious. And there's nothing like in Turkey. It's really, how can I say, it's so different. And that's why I like it. I want to try it again and maybe for the next video. I'm not sure about it. But it's really good. And my point is 10.
oh wow.
Yeah.
Just said
Is that?
10 out of 10 point out of 10.
You think next time you're gonna try the chili again?
I will. I will for sure. I'm gonna bring my medicine.
Next time he's gonna.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this.
Continue to eat this one. He's gonna continue the one that I just buy.
I like it.
Alright.
What do you like from the meal, Bertie?
Actually, the spice is different. We don't have that spice in Turkey, and the rice is really delicious because in Turkey we are just putting oil and just boiling it, but in here it's really the spice is really good.
Flavorful.
Yeah, the meat is really good too. It's perfect.
Awesome. Thank you.
It's amazing. So, as we were speaking before, it kind of reminds me of this dish we have in Mexico called birria. Also, kind of company with the same side or garnish, I would say. Yes, garnish, like the rice. Normally for us is red rice, but in this case the white rice goes really well. The tenderness and the caution of the meat as well. And the plating simply looks beautiful, for not using words like majestic or like touched by God. It actually looks awesome. I actually think the cucumber is maybe one subtle touch that it actually heighten up the dish. And so in general, yeah, I would rate this as absolutely a 10.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Oh my god. I mean, you gave a really... I don't know how you came up with all these words.
You're
It's
so
amazing.
good,
Like,
yeah.
half the time I never know what to say. Like, it's so good.
Can I have the dictionary?
You would,
Learning new words.
I mean, you would think like by now I would know how to give it to it's always the same. Nah, I mean, it was a really good meal. I think it's the first time for me also trying this meal. I've never tried it before. It is a bit similar like rendang, I want to say, because it's also like the very tender meat, which was very good. What I liked from this meal is there was a lot of spices in the sauce. Like the sauce was very rich, I want to say. And yeah, it was a very well-rounded dish with like the cucumber that was fresh, and then the krupuk was crunchy, and yeah, the meat was like very tender to the point. I really like that. I'm also gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, give me your dictionary. You want to cheat here? Cheat here. Oh my god. this bearable is. It was very good. I have never tried meat like this before. It's like a little bit like this, a little bit like that, but it's not actually the flavor that my tongue recognized from before. Like this time I didn't want to try the spiciness anymore, not the sauce, not the chili itself, because I realized that whenever you take the spicy, you take the chili, it transforms a little bit the actual flavors for what actually is meant. The combination between all of them, rice, meat, the textures, and all the forms that it were involving all this plate, it was perfect. You know, I am not a really meat lover guy, but I really enjoy having this meat. But this one is like
Real.
delicious. It was really good. Yeah, I give 10 out of 10.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, first of all, the combination of all the different ingredients was really nice, and the tenderness, like how the meat cooked, was really on point. It was like really soft, and I give it a try to the sauce, and like after I ate the chili, I forgot that in my plate I had a little more sauce, so I ate chili with the hot sauce, but it was a bit spicy. But yeah, like cucumber was like really nice, like because you were getting really hot and eating cucumber like very very fresh. So I would say it's definitely like 10 out of 10, and I would eat more in daily basis. Yeah.
No, yeah.
Nice.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
What's the chili doing over there?
I know what's going on.
Making a point.
Well, like my friends already said most of the points about this dish. I will just copulate them because this dish goes like beyond what I can explain because it was really good. Garnish of the dishes, of the dish was good. It was like very similar to what we have in Mexico. We have in Mexico we have a dish that is called barbacoa, and I am super like happy with this because I was like craving that dish, and this is like this is the closest dish to that. Even though like the rice wasn't the proper companion that we give back in Mexico, it was good. Also with the sauce, it was like the spiciness of that sauce was great because it wasn't as spicy as in Mexico, but it was like you could feel the spiciness, so that's why I had like more chili. It was awesome, so I will give 10. Actually, because the meat was super tender. It was like good.
Just to be sure.
Like another one.
I could eat these like every day. Like it was good. It was really good.
Just to be sure, it's 10 out of 10, right?
10 out of 10.
Okay. Thank you.
How much you gonna willing to pay for that? Let's start with Berkey. Well, let's start with Alejandro.
I have a question. Counting the entry or like just?
Just the meal.
Just
Just that one.
And the question is, in Canada
No,
or
yeah.
Indonesia?
Just here. Like how much you willing to pay for that?
If you were to order
Okay.
this for takeout, let's say.
Exactly.
Okay.
Alex, how much you willing to pay for that?
I think I will pay $16.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. And butter.
Yeah, I was gonna say something like same. I was gonna say like a 15-ish, something like that.
Yeah, I would say just because of the cucumber.
$20.
$17.
That's what you get. Yep.
I will even say like maybe up to $18 because it's just such a like slow cooked, long process to get that meat ready. So yeah.
Same thing between the $16 to $18 actually.
I want to say 25.
25?
Because it depends on the portion.
You're gonna get all every time the first thing. My loyal customer.
He's gonna be the beta tester for any
Yeah.
The rice is good, the beef is good.
Yeah.
I'm always going to Turkish and Arabic restaurant, and they are always getting around 20, but it deserves more than that.
Oh.
Like 25, for example.
Yeah.
Because it's delicious.
Aw, thank you, Berkey. Thank you so much. That's actually like a good price, to start if I want to sell it. In Indonesia, if you have this kind of meal, I think it's gonna cost you between $2 to up for $4 a meal.
What are we doing here? Why are we
It's not 25.
That's why I miss it so much.
But again, in Indonesia, with protein, it goes with like small piece and two, of course, the protein. So if you want it more, then it's gonna go more expensive.
It's gonna be
so you have to ask them for extra protein, and it's gonna cost you a bit more. But maybe it's gonna be like between $6 to $7 maximum.
Well, just do that.
Yeah.
That's okay.
yeah. So even like some restaurant, if you pay for $7, you get 3 varieties of protein. You get like fish, you get chicken and you get beef. Yeah.
halal standards.
Yeah, and of course halal because in Indonesia. Yeah, exactly. I'm so happy, guys, and I see like you really enjoy it. And thank you so much for coming. And thank you guys for watching. And then it's another successful dish for us today. Got thumbs from them. And okay, don't forget to
Subscribe,
like, and read a comment.
bell.
Bell.
Smash the bell.
Exactly. Activate your notification so you will be always updated with a new video from Bilang channel. So see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.